Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Unfortunately, my laptop died, and yeah, I'm migrating from upstairs to downstairs, with this large PC. But yeah, today I'm going to be showing you what Coil Whine is. Coil Whine on the graphics card. So right now you can't hear anything, I don't think. I'm going to turn the sound of the TV off. So all you're going to hear is the noise from down there. So this is the only game that actually causes Coil Whine on my graphics card. So right now we're running at 116 FPS. So if you don't cap your FPS, that's when your coil whine comes. So I'll go into a casual. So when anything above 300 FPS, 400, where you're running the graphics card at full speed and CPU at the same time, makes coil whine, you'll hear it. Okay, put me in the game so I can show these guys. Alright guys, you're gonna have a listen now. Okay, 300 FPS, let's go. You should start hearing coil whine. Right now, all I hear is the fans, which is normal. So once we're in the game, you can hear it a tiny bit. Can you hear it? It's actually not that loud, but when you play in 4K and don't cap it, that's when it makes the noise. So at 1080p, you can actually run it at full speed and it barely makes a coil whine. So I'm learning new things. So yeah, that was a fail to show you guys, but yeah, you can hear it a bit. It's like a bit of a weird, it's like a air with the whine. That's what it sounds like basically. Oh yeah, what was I gonna say? So yeah, when you push this card into 4K, even though the card's not really made for 4K, it's for 2K gaming, which is 1440p. If you're running at 4K 2160p, then yeah, you'll get coil whine if you don't cap the frames. Because even in 4K we get about 300 frames. Right now in 1080p we're at 350. Yeah, 400. So yeah, so you'll get coil whine in 4K. So the graphics card's not being pushed to the limits right now. I'm actually display this in 4K, see if it does anything. Never mind guys, it won't let me. So yeah, sorry guys, I'll see if when I set it up on the PC downstairs, I'll see if I can add it into the video guys for you guys, then you'll hear it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Kind of hear it a bit. Can you hear it? Bit like that. That's what it sounds like. But yeah, it's a lot worse when you don't cap it on 4K. Right now 1080p is not much of a load because the card's built for that, So yeah.